assembly of this little dirt bike is not so difficult. It only takes 20-30 minutes and everyone can do it at home itself. Hi guys, and welcome back to next unboxing video from Mini Bike Store video blog. In today's video I want to show you how to assemble the brand new Tiger version electric dirt bikes. This is a Eco Tiger VX. There is few different models of VX Tiger. There is one with 1648 volt motor. This is the most powerful at the moment. This is the 2000W 60 volt electric motor. The Tiger VX electric dirt bike will be delivered in this box to you. It also has a steel frame inside to make sure it arrives safe. The size of the box is 132 by 37 by 65.5 centimeters. And the brute weight is 52.5 kg. The dirt bike itself, it weighs 42.5 kg. Here we have the color red, but there is also few more colors available. This version of Eco Tiger VX is equipped with lithium-ion battery. Here we have 60 volt 15.6 amp lithium-ion battery. It also comes with brushless DC motor and large 14 and 12 inch wheels. So let's open the box and see what we have inside. Here it is how the Eco Tiger looks like inside the box. As you can see, it's well secured. It's in the steel frame. Here we have the box with all the parts. All is wrapped with the foil to make sure it arrives undamaged to you. Now I will show you step by step how to fully assemble the dirt bike and prepare it before the first use. First we need to remove all the parts which are attached to the frame and to the bike. Next, unscrew these two bolts here. Next, remove all the bolts around which hold the frame together, like one here. Now we can remove the frame and unwrap it. Next, open the box and remove all the parts from it. Here we have the front number plate, the handlebar cover. Of course, you get a charger. Here in this case it's a 60 volt lithium-ion charger. The rear mudguard. The user manuals in English language. You get the bag with tools. If you don't have your own tools, you can use this ones. And some bolts and nuts. Start assembly with installing the handlebars. So reattach the handlebars. Cut the plastic wires here. Unwrap it. Place the handlebars in position like this. Install the clamp here. Place the bolt into it. The second bolt. The second clamp. Make sure the handlebar is in the middle, hold it like this, and now tighten all 4 bolts well. Next, from the back, use these 3 bolts here and install the mudguard just here. Next, here on the bottom, place the number plate, just like this. Make sure it fits the holes there. On the top here, remove the 2-liter screws. And insert the screws back. And tighten the screws. Place the front brake cable through the hole here. Now you will need to remove the front axle. So remove the nut, lift the bike a little bit and push the axle out. Now you need to lift the bike and place it on something. I will use the original motorbike stand, but if you don't have one, you can place it on something else. Just make sure it's pretty high. Start the front wheel. So you need the axle, the longer spacer from the side where is the disc brake, just here. Place the axle in the front fork. Now place the spacer and slowly go through the spacer, through the wheel. Now from the other side install the second spacer. And then push the axle through the fork. And secure it with the nut. And now you can tighten it well. Next, remove the little screw here from the brake. Place the brake in the position and insert the screw back. And tighten the bottom and the top screws here. Next, you will need to connect the rear absorber just here on the bottom. You will need to use this bolt and this nut for it. So just lift the rear wheel a little bit. Place the bolt through it. Secure with the nut. So now the Tiger VX electric dirt bike is fully assembled, but it's not ready to use yet. First, before you use the bike, you need to actually charge fully battery. This is very, very important. This battery, lithium-ion battery, is now in the storage mode and it has to be activated by charger before you use the bike for the first time. If you don't do that, you can actually damage the battery. So make sure if you buy an electric dirt bike, scooter or any electric vehicle, make sure you fully charge the battery before the first use. So let's charge the battery here first. To charge the bike, remove the cap here. Plug in a charger in the charging socket. Make sure you always use the dedicated charger for it. And then plug in a charger to the wall socket. On the charger you have the little light here. As you can see, when you plug in, it's red now, so it means it's charging. and when the battery is fully charged it will change to green. So you need to make sure to wait till the light will change to green before you use the dirt bike for the first time. This is very important for the battery. After you have fully charged the battery, you can plug the controller into the battery. Here is the little port and you need to insert this plug into that port. Make sure you insert the plug all the way in. As you can see, assembly of this little dirt bike is not so difficult. It only takes 20-30 minutes. Everyone can do it at home himself. In the next video we will test this little dirt bike and we will show you how it works, how powerful it is. This is 2000W 60V electric motor, so this is really powerful dirt bike. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video you find useful and see you in the next video.